Life is waiting for you each day, and you have to prepare for each challenge along the way toward success. It's not simple, but it can be done. Welcome to my Common Sense Motivation episodes. I'm Chris Fantastic Powell. Welcome to my 5-part series, The 5 Pillars to Obtaining Change in Your Life. Episode 1, I Become Disciplined. Let me say it straight. Most people don't struggle because they lack talent. They don't fall short because they aren't smart enough. They don't stay stuck because they don't care. They struggle because discipline is missing. And when discipline leaves the room, excuses moves in. Comfort takes over, momentum disappears, and life starts running you instead of you running your life. But today, we're going to change that. This episode is called I Become Disciplined. Not someday, not when things get easier, not when motivation shows up. Today. You see, discipline gets a bad reputation. People think discipline means punishment, restriction, or hardship. But that's not the truth. Discipline is freedom. Discipline is what gives you options. Discipline is what creates confidence. Discipline is what builds momentum when motivation fades. You see, discipline is the bridge between who you are now and who you keep saying you want to be. And let me tell you something real. If your life feels upside down, it's not bad luck. It's not here we go again. It's not the world's working against you. It's responsibility and discipline missing from the room. And when those two leave, consistency doesn't know what to do. Goals don't move, dreams stay dreams, and potential stays trapped. And most people are negotiating with their future. They say things like, I'll start Monday, or I just need a break, or things will change eventually. No, they won't. Life doesn't change because you hope. Life changes because you decide. And discipline is that decision repeated daily, quietly, privately, and without applause. Discipline is waking up when you don't feel like it, doing the work when no one's watching, keeping your word to yourself, and showing up even when it's uncomfortable. That's where discipline comes from. Not loud confidence, not fake confidence, quiet confidence. That's the kind that's built in the dark, the kind nobody sees, the kind that carries you when life gets heavy. And here's the truth most people avoid. Nobody is coming to save you. Your future is waiting on your actions. Your results are waiting on your habits. Your next level is waiting on your discipline. You don't need more motivation. You need structure. You need standards. You need to stop negotiating with your potential. So say this with me. I become disciplined, not perfect, disciplined. I become disciplined with my time. I become disciplined with my thoughts. I become disciplined with my actions, because discipline isn't punishment. Discipline is self-respect. And today I want you to take one simple action, just one. Take a walk, drink water, write your goals, turn off the noise, make the call, start the thing. One action creates momentum, and momentum creates confidence, and confidence creates change. You don't need to fix your whole life today. You just need to start honoring it. And remember this, you are bigger than your excuses. You are capable of more than you've been told. And your future starts with what you do today. That's common sense motivation. And remember, demand results from yourself, because discipline doesn't limit your life. It sets it free. Make it happen. I'm Chris Fantastic Powell.